Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I have a one package mail day, as well as a one package mail day recap. So I'll just show you guys the recap quickly. I got this Monday, Sergei Bobrovsky Upper Deck Young Gun. Pretty sick. He's having a really good season with Columbus right now, so I thought I'd pick one of these up in a trade from SCF, and this will be for trade for sale. Alright, and then I have this one package right here, which is a trade from off CNC, I think, or made the trade off on YouTube, I think, and put on CNC. But it's with Stanley Cup 44 on YouTube or Lucic for Life on CNC. So I'll get opening that up for you guys. We made a quick deal, which was nice. Oops, cut that again. Alright, here we go. That's nothing in there. So it says Bozak Attack for 2. Thanks for the setup, Lucic for Life, and that is his autograph. So I'll definitely be keeping that. So let me open Team Bag up. And Bozak Attack 42 is my name on CNC. But anyways, the card I traded for, I'll take it out of its sleeve, is a 12-13 Fabric of the Game of Joffrey Lupul. And it's numbered only to, you guys can see that, 75. A nice blue jersey, too. So this will be going to the Leafs PC. Second Lupul card I have of... Second card of Lupul I have, he's in the Leafs jersey, which is sick. And, yeah. So, guys, that's it. I haven't made any videos this week. I just, I didn't get any, those were my only 2 packages this week. But hopefully I can make a few trades. I have tomorrow off, so, probably just looking to make some trades. Hopefully I can get it next week. I made a few this week as well, so hopefully I'll get some tomorrow, and hopefully some will come next week. But other than that, guys, thank you as always for watching, and if you're interested in anything, please let me know. Alright guys, bye.